very special episode. The gang is here with us. We got writer OP, banker OP, prisoner OP, traveler OP joining us from a hotel room today somewhere in the world. We also have KKR OP, Anirban Dasgupta joining us. And of course, we are joined by a very, very special guest, all right? She's a vlogger, she's a singer, she's a guitar player. But when she's not busy doing any of these, she's winning the World Cup for India. Please give it up for the incredible Emma Rodriguez.
Oh, hi guys. Guys, you all have to give me a cool name too.
Winner OP.
Winner
OP.
Jamie, welcome to the show. We're so excited to have you here. First thing I want to ask you, I just want to know what happened at the after party after you guys won.
So the thing was, we were at the DY party till 3:30 a.m. We had not left the ground, but they were like, "ये लोग नहीं जाने वाले," so they shut the lights off. That's when we had to walk out of the ground.
Oh.
Like you can see the ground from the hotel. So we walked there. Everyone freshened up. We came, and that was the first time ever we saw the sunrise in all those 45 days of the World Cup.
Wow, nice.
We were up till morning dancing, partying, but yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Who kept the trophy?
We didn't know where it went. Suddenly, ऐसे गायब हो गया था. And suddenly we see a picture coming on Instagram, and the person who stole it was me. I was on the bed, I was sleeping and sleeping.
Oh no! I think Rohit Sharma stole it for like a couple of hours. Jamie, you played basketball, football, hockey, and then you played cricket. Like, you know, that's not what a game changer means, right? Like, you're not supposed to literally change games. How did you end up on cricket?
Yeah, firstly, I'm like a full-on Entu cutlet. I cannot sit quietly in one place. That's how I got started playing cricket because my brothers used to play. And then it so happened because of cricket we shifted to Bandra. Bandra, you know, it's famous for hockey and football.
हमको लग रहा था avocado toast के लिए famous है.
I thought it was famous for overpriced property.
But I heard you started playing cricket when you were 4 years old.
Yeah.
You know, how did you make up for the 3 years that you missed?
No, so what happened was I started doing well in cricket and hockey. But then it so happened that both were clashing, and cricket and hockey were not able to get the schedule right, you know, not able to balance both. So then one day my dad made me sit down. He's like, "This is entirely your decision. Whatever you say, we will back you." And this 11-year-old girl is making this decision. Okay, full dramatic scene it is. And then one tear falls from my eye. I'm like, "Dada, I want to play both. I don't know. I can't choose between them both." So then Dada was like, "Okay, now you've reached a higher level in cricket than hockey. So we'll just go ahead with cricket. You never know in the future. You might even play hockey and stuff." So now still the dream is that I'll play hockey for India,
Wow.
but I don't know how it's going to happen. Yeah.
Wait, after being a World Cup winner cricketer, you're going to play hockey also?
I mean, I want to, but time नहीं है. और बैंड्रा में जगह भी नहीं है, like you said.
बैंड्रा में आप पिकल खेल सकते हैं मैच टू मैच.
बैंड्रा में जो मॉल वाला आइस हॉकी होता है ना वही खेल सकते हो.
I have put my daughter into sports. She's 4 now, okay, and I've put her in football practice. I saw her playing football, and that's when I realized she is a good dancer. Okay? She has no aptitude for sports.
निर्मल भाई 4 साल की है. You should put her to sleep first.
Yes.
Yes,
I was playing the CPL, that's the Caribbean Premier League, and Shikha Pandey and I. So Shikha Pandey also is an Indian cricketer. So Shikha Pandey was the one who introduced me to Tanmay Reacts.
Oh,
Nice.
all right. Let's just check out Jamie's Spotify rap for the year. All right, if there ever was a Bandra sound, it is this.
सच में भाई ये तो मेरा लग रहा है कैफेज में बजते हैं भाई गाने तो.
मेरे को ये जैसे कि जो जेमी के ओल्डीज है वो हमारे जमाने के गाने हैं.
Yeah, but Jem, your listening age is 32.
I'm actually an old soul.
You cannot call yourself an old soul. This is 10 years younger than my actual age. Hello. You cannot say old soul like that.
Jem, but while you're playing, we can hear the DJ play all kind of belters, okay? But when
Right.
you are in the middle,
Yeah.
can you also hear like Lehrado? Sometimes they play the weirdest music, no, Joshi? Like India is 6 down, and then the guy's like, "My milkshake brings all the boys together."
I'm like, नहीं जाना मेरे को यार्ड में, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए तेरा मिल्कशेक. 6 विकेट गए भाई.
Before we get into the memes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to unwrap everyone's Spotify Wrapped of the year on today's episode. और साथ में हम सब खेलेंगे Spotify Wrapped Party. Wrap Party, Joshi, I don't know if you've seen, but it's this feature where everyone comes together in one Wrap Party, and then we get awards. किसने सबसे ज़्यादा गाना सुने? It's like a competition amongst friends.
Sounds friendly. I hope I kick your asses.
Name an animal that starts with letter R. रोस्टेड चिकन।
He's got a point.
भाइयों मेरे को तो ये समझ नहीं आता कि पुलिस स्टेशन में लोग जो होते हैं वो चोरों का और कातिलों का स्केच कैसे बनवा देते हैं। मतलब मैं तो 30 साल से अपने माँ बाप के साथ रह रहा हूँ, मैं तो इनका स्केच नहीं बनवा सकता, इन्होंने कभी कोई जुर्म कर दिया। और स्केच कैसे बनता है भाई? हर बंदा अपने आसपास देखो, हर बंदे की आंख की जगह आंख है और नाक की जगह नाक है, तो ड्राइंग अलग कैसे हो रही है मेरे को तो
Dude, how do they do it?
वो सब तो ठीक है, but why does he have a rat filter on?
Anirban, if you had to describe me to a sketch artist, what would you say?
करण जौहर देखा आपने?
करण जौहर देखा? अब उसको 650 करोड़ दे दो।
अरे यार
This was not Honey Singh, this is Shahid Singh.
this original song is by Badshah and
No.
अरे यार लेयर जोक है ये यार हनी सिंह के।
Jamie, you see that mummy in the frame? You see that mummy in the frame?
Yeah.
That is an old soul.
Oh.
So these are fish people, and they're in Aqualand, obviously. So the whole thing's covered in water. Well, this kid is stuck in a tree with his dog, so they take this boom thing up, and they get the dog, and they save the kid. But the kid swims over, not touching the tree, to the dude in the boom truck. They bring the boom truck down, and fire trucks are like 8 feet tall, so this is like an 8-foot drop here. He swims down from the boom truck! Swim down from the tree!
Guys, I've been watching the wrong show. I've been watching you guys. This is what I should watch actually.
And I just took a break from this show to come here.
एक कार्टून में तो सन ने सनग्लासेस लगाए हुए थे।
what shows did you watch growing up, Jem?
Growing up, I've watched Madeline. I've watched Kitretsu.
Oh my god, Kitretsu, you saw Kitretsu too?
साहिबा सिर्फ एक घर में थोड़ी आता था वो।
तूने देखा?
भाई इसमें बुराई कुछ नहीं है, मैंने भी स्ट्रेटनर से काफी चीजें गर्म करी हैं भाई।
जैसे क्या?
You put your dick in a straightener?
Why would he want his to be hot, bro? Like
स्ट्रेट फिर भी मैं समझ सकता हूँ।
1,00,000 रुपया बहुत खून पी रखा है इसने, ले जाओ प्लीज।
अपने 33,000 रुपए हुआ भाई, अपने लिए तो ठीक डील है।
पाकिस्तानी करेंसी इज 3x worse than ours. What?
अभी तो वो क्या बोलते हैं, हर पॉडकास्ट में इंडियन टीम की तारीफ करते, पाकिस्तान की बुराई की, रुपये में कमाना है भाई।
But this is like true for every cricketer.
Imagine Indian cricket's might that not only Matthew Hayden is working in Indian cricket, his daughter is also working in Indian cricket. पूरा फैमिली को लेके आ गया, इतना बिजनेस दिया है इंडियन क्रिकेट।
जॉन्टी रोड की बेटी का नाम इंडिया है।
Lalita Modi would have been too much. I love this edit.
To be honest, I was cooked. I was so tired. ऐसे कुछ, I didn't even think Virat has done this on number 3 batter. No, I was very tired. I was just taking some breath, you know.
This is after taking a double.
Yeah, maybe. but I love memes, you know. We feel totally different, but they make you feel like, oh, wow, wow.
बट लेकिन बेस्ट ओडीआई वॉच्ड ऑल टाइम।
उस मैच को तो हम जेमी फाइनल बोलते हैं।
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. there are fielders there apparently.
लॉर्ड से कम स्लोप है भाई यहाँ पे इसमें।
Here deep cover is very deep.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Jem, like now if you're at the boundary line and if you turn to the crowd and you do a little dance, you know कि इसका meme बनने वाला है, right?
So I have to make sure I do it right, you know.
पहले कुछ नहीं, पहले ये सब नहीं होता था। वो इंजमाम बैट लेके मारने जा रहे हैं ऑडियंस को, उसको कोई समझ ही नहीं रहा कि ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, it's toss time here at the AB field, bright and sunny. In the teal corner, we have Jess Jonathan, and in the green corner, we have the youngster Phoebe Litchfield, and the match referee is Kapla, tried and tested. So the news out in the center is Jess Jonathan has won the flip, and she decides to bowl first. This is Jemmy Shastri signing off.
Jem, this is a great impression of Ravi Shastri. So I just want to ask, how many drinks did you have?
Also, Jem, genuine question. What was it like going back to BBL after kicking Australia's ass?
Beating Australia.
There was an interview on that day, the moment I landed, and they asked me like, how do you feel and congratulations on the win. And I was like, thank you so much. I was not sure if Australia would let me cross the border after the semi-finals. Yeah.
Now it's time for Anirban's rap. Okay, let's unwrap Anirban. Let's do it.
Ravindra Sangeet.
Okay, sir.
Top artist is Shakira. Anirban. Wow, wow.
मुझे लग रहा है बेबी शार्क डूडू डूडू होगा.
Basically, Waka Waka is my daughter just, Daddy, Waka song, Waka song, Waka song.
So basically, this is her playlist.
No, only the first one.
You're telling me your 4-year-old is not a Kumar Sanu enthusiast? Damn.
Let's also look at Rohan's
Oh no.
indie rock, alt rock, electronica, pop soundtrack.
You are so predictable, Rohan.
Yeah.
But wait, see my age, okay? See my listening age.
Yeah, Joshi, listening age is pretty good.
Young soul.
रोहन भाई मुझे नहीं पता था हम लोग हिंज का कर रहे हैं कैंपेन आज.
करने को मैं ये भी रिक्रिएट कर लूं, पर मेरे पास व्हाइट कलर की कार नहीं है.
ओ नूडल्स.
पानी गरम कर लो ना, मैं उतना टाइम तो लगता है.
काय में करे, पानी गर्म होना भी चाहिए.
ओ
तेरे में भाई प्रिटी प्रिविलेज भी एक चीज होती है.
पर वो तुझे कैसे पता?
प्रिटी प्रिविलेज आपको है.
पीयूष, तूने ये सब किया था क्या जब तू IIT में था?
नहीं
तूने ये सब किया था क्या जब विदर्भ में था?
पानी नहीं था ये सब. भाई मैं अकेला बंदा था जो घर जाता था वेकेशन पे और दुबला होके आता था.
IIT में अचार ले जाते थे घर.
जैसे आंखों की टिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में
क्यूट है यार शादी. There's a reason why wedding की जब व्लॉग बनती है ना, उसे वेडिंग फिल्म बोलते हैं. ठीक है, सब कुछ स्लो मोशन में होता है, गाना होता है. बट इफ यू सी वेडिंग इन रियल लाइफ, हाउ इट्स एक्चुअली हैपनिंग, इट्स वेरी बोरिंग. खड़े लोग बस.
Awkward.
Anything awkward happened at your wedding?
Dude, I got married at 6 in the morning. Okay, so I was like very afraid of sleeping that I might not get up on time. So I did not sleep the whole night. That night, I was trying to stay awake, looking at news, and Oscar Pistorius shot his girlfriend that night. So I was following that throughout, and I followed the live updates, CNN and all that.
So did you know dogs will sit facing away from you as a sign of trust and a sign that they're protected?
Jem, what breed is your dog?
He's a Jack Russell Terrier.
Hello, dog is also named after cricketers. Dog is also named after cricketers.
Goosebumps खड़े हो गए.
Goosebumps.
The Jamie selfie.
अबे भाई.
This is the Google Pixel powered by Jamie Ma.
I know I'm not Eminem, but सामने ये कौन आया दिल में हुई हलचल देख के बस एक ही झलक हो गए हम पागल.
Why does this look like Kullu's son if Kullu married like a 23-year-old?
Saiba, if I had a son, you would know.
भाई चलो कोई तो जा रहा है इंडिगो पे.
मैं वही बोलने वाला था. Things you do to have a kappa noodle.
Feels so nice traveling with Glenn McGrath.
Glenn McGrath, वाह. Why is he called Pigeon, पीयूष?
उसके legs बहुत वो वैसे bird वाले थे, तो उसको फिर pigeon बोलने लग गए थे.
I thought he shat on batsmen as he flew past.
Oh my god, I want to go to this concert so badly. When is Pritam performing next?
2 weeks after some Korean singer performs.
Who do you think has more hits, Rahman or Pritam?
परितम ओनली।
प्रीतम का कॉम्पिटिटर अन्नू मलिक होगा।
रहमान तो क्लास म्यूजिक वाला है ना, रहमान ऐसे मासी गाने थोड़ी आता जो ऑटो में बजते हैं, वो तो नहीं आता।
I'm assuming at some point, okay, अगले 25 सालों में जो बंदा ऑटो चला रहा होगा वो आज का म्यूजिक सुन रहा होगा।
यस।
20-25 सालों में आज का म्यूजिक बजेगा।
यस।
क्या बजेगा? सेटअप दे रहा हूँ गांडू। यस क्या बोल रहा है?
It sounded like you had a theory.
No.
मैं तो मेरा स्टूडेंट मोड निकल के आ गया कि यस सर।
मैं सेटअप दे रहा हूँ यार। हाँ यस, गुड सेटअप। फिर पंचलाइन। अरे
पंचलाइन भी मैं दूं क्या? कॉमेडियन समझाया क्या मुझे?
This is old. This is from Navratri. This is not like now.
ओ
भाई मैं तो एक फ्रेंच औरत देखी भाई जो फ्रेंच में डांट रही भाई। कहना भाई हमारा खुद का लैंग्वेज भी बहुत चल रहा है, प्लीज।
मदर शो, बैंड शो।
बट ये वीडियो में एटलीस्ट दे आर गेटिंग बैक टू यू।
Jem, have you spent a lot of time with Virat? Like, what is your relationship with him like?
I think in 2018 we were in New Zealand and the men's team and the women's team were in the same hotel. So Smriti and I, we wanted to talk about batting. So we asked Virat, like, can we, have a conversation with you? So then I think he reached out to our manager and he's like, I'm down in the cafe. If they are free, let them come and join us. So he said, okay. We went there. We thought, what, half an hour? He'll give 1 hour max. And Anushka was also there. We spoke about batting for half an hour. And then after that, it just felt like, long lost friends. How when they meet, they come, they chat. It was, I think, 11:30 where the cafe was shutting and they were like, guys, just get out right now. We need to shut. And that's when we stopped our conversation. But
ये बताया होगा ना कि मैच क्लच हो जाए तो ऐसे बैट पकड़ दो।
अरे मैंने मीम देखा भाई कि अनुष्का का सही है, जब मन किया विराट से बात कर ली।
नहीं। Anirban, your daughter does weird stuff. Your daughter must be like, is she past the age where she's doing silly stuff like this?
No, she keeps doing. Yesterday only I had a toothpaste thing. She brushed her teeth and then she didn't wash it. She just wiped her whole face on my t-shirt.
You have to constantly keep an eye out, no?
Yes, you have to. That's the only job. But I'll tell you honestly, it's not possible to keep an eye out all the time. So I sometimes just believe in God and let her be. Hey.
This is me when I had Oscar Pishore.
Oscar Pishore.
Pishore
Kumar.
Pishore
Kumar. Bihar election lost by Prashant Pishore.
Otra Sudeep. Move Sudeep.
My Spotify rap.
दिल हवाले तेरे तू अगर मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा।
सबको मिला?
भाई उससे डरावना कुछ भी नहीं होता भाई।
Nothing. Depends on how hungry I am, honestly.
भैया शेयरिंग भैया रुको भैया शेयरिंग
This is early, no?
Yeah.
You guys are having way more fun than the men's cricket team.
100%. No doubt about it.
That, but we do have. I'm telling you now.
Thin line between Ocean's 11 and cricket team. Thin line.
सिंपल मशीन बनाई है जो घरों में भी इस्तेमाल हो सकती है। जैसे ये हमारे पास एक चिमटे ऐसे बनाए हैं, इससे हम कोई भी चीज़ आसानी से उठा के एक तरफ से दूसरे तरफ इसको रख सकते हैं। अगर हाथ में लगाए इससे इसकी मदद से कर सकते हैं। और घरों में ऐसे चिमटा रहता है तो इसको पकड़ने के हम एक यही मशीन से चिमटे ऐसे बनाए, इससे हम कुछ भी इजीली उठा सकते हैं। ये हम एक मशीन बनाया है, ये ऐसी उछाल सकते हैं इसको।
It's 7 people in this project.
हाँ, ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट कैसे हो सकता है?
This machine is called a finger.
Dude, the three guys at the back are already ready to repeat the year. Just look at their faces. They've made up their mind.
इससे हम बैलेंस कर सकते हैं।
इससे हम बैलेंस कर सकते हैं।
आज हमने मेजर प्रोजेक्ट में बनाया है ब्रीदिंग।
They were setting up.
Santosh.
Yo, how's it going, Santosh? My name's Avi. This is my brother Muthu. He brought his friend Surtok, and that's his other friend Anad. To my left here is Animal, and this right here is Airwin. No way, a new sucker. You're here too.
I'm sure Dubai mein someone must have called you Jumeirah Rodriguez. Sorry.
For the strongest game on social media goes to Jemima Rodriguez. Thank you so much, guys, for this award. This actually means so much to me. I would like to thank my mom, my dad, my dog, Chota Pappu, Smritu from the Banyan shop, my mechanic, Hussein Boltwala.
You know, Jemmy, it's like watching you make comedy videos. It makes me feel like how you would feel if you watched us play cricket.
No, just like, does your coach ever send you these and say, hey, listen, just come for training, no? You're sleeping.
Watch Rohit Sharma run through with women's ODI trophy.
Even the police who would be after him would just be like, 5 minutes bhagne de.
Alright, Piyush, your Spotify rap. Piyush, there's just no way that you're listening to Stutter House and Bhojpuri Pop all at the same time.
They say in a stand-up bit, start strong, end stronger.
I can't believe, bro, तेरे बिना number 1 and then Fred Again के गाने यार, ये कैसे हो रहा है यार, पीयूष?
Fred Again कभी धूम अगेन, मेरा यही है।
मेरा देखते हैं भाई, ये है मेरा टॉप जॉनर।
भाई ये क्या है? पंजाबी हिप हॉप, पंजाबी पॉप, हिंदी हिप हॉप, हिंदी पॉप।
It's all desi only, यार।
This is ऋषि कपूर, रणधीर कपूर। रेबल किड के साथ घूम घूम के आप
टॉप सॉन्ग ऑफ द ईयर ब्रदर, माहौल पूरा बेबी। टॉप 10,000 फैंस ऑफ करण औजला।
You can do better.
Yeah.
Okay, one more cool story. This used to be Sachin Tendulkar's old building. So when the 2011 World Cup happened, I was at this is my house. मैं balcony पे आई थी. Sachin sir's car had come from here.
Crazy.
Full crowd. You couldn't step out of your house. That much crowd. And from here I could see Sachin sir, like he came out and I could see his head and him walking into his building. Now he doesn't live here. He stays close by. But yeah, that was the moment for me. I was 11 years old at that time. I didn't know what a World Cup meant. But when that happened and I saw the fans...
Bro, if I stayed next to Sachin, I would not get any work done only.
If you stayed next to Sachin, Sachin would not stay there for very long.
Yes.
Jemmy, I believe like he called you or he met you recently after you won the World Cup or something.
He passed on a message because after the semi-finals it was like everything that happened was very overwhelming for me. Like I was not used to having everyone, you know, the messages and entering a ground, everyone's cheering my name, chanting my name. So, you know, Sachin sir said, you know, this is that kind of a moment where, you know, it's been so overwhelming, but just for one more game, just keep everything aside and just try and be then start fresh, start from zero.
How come he gave you advice? He's good at cricket or what?
He's the god of cricket.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a rap party.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
Okay, who's leading? I am leading. Joshi, me and you are clearly the...
I'm gonna leave my Spotify on for 18 hours tonight. How dare you?
ये ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो रूट और विराट कोहली के स्टैट्स उसके नीचे फिर हम
Who played played
Rarest track.
Rarest track.
Oh my god.
What a comeback.
True band right has been discovered here today. Listen to the rarest, most hipster song.
And Tanmay is last in this one.
Yeah. Who is the most obsessed fan? Piyush? Piyush?
Should trade again.
Sorry, is Kullu's obsession with Guns N' Roses?
Other people use my Spotify too.
Hey guys, I'm an underground rapper. Can you give me 3 words? I'll make a freestyle right now. I don't know, math. Juice.
Wait, why is this not on my Spotify list?
Not in rap video.
Really
ChatGPT
freestyle.
1.0 alpha version.
उनको भाई वर्ल्ड कप से निकाल के खुशी नहीं मिली क्या आपको और टॉर्चर करना था कि अब ये भी गाओ
आसानी से अब कैसे मारते हैं देखिए खड़े खड़े छक्के हमको 10 12 14 स्टेप आगे जाना पड़ता था छक्का मारने के लिए
यार बहुत बढ़िया
दादा विकेट सिर्फ 22 यार्ड ही होती है इसीलिए तो कह रहा हूँ आप कैसे इतनी 12 14 दादा इतने स्टेप ले लेते आप ओवर की समाप्ति 22 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर
Take a look at what happened here. Just a gentle push. A misspeed meant that they ran the signal. On their way back, this is what happened.
That's a bad one. Oh, but they missed it.
The bowler fumbles. The batter comes in.
Oh!
This is done.
This is the Robert B. Wide Memorial Tournament.
Jem, how do you feel if you drop a catch and the whole stadium is looking at you?
Oh, I feel horrible. I love fielding, and if like more than batting, if I mess up in fielding, I get mad at myself.
But like if I was fielding and 50,000 people are mad at me, I would hope ki someone else should screw up quickly so they forget me.
Yes.
Isn't this pretty much what living on the internet is like, Tanmay?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Quickly.
ये समय कुछ करना. This is not what passing the torch to next generation means.
All right, Jem, I know we've kept you here too long. You have to go practice. You have to do what you do best. So we're going to say bye to you. Thank you so much for coming today.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Before you leave, make sure you check out your Spotify Wrapped and make sure you attend the Spotify Wrapped party with your friends and see who had the best music taste, who discovered the most artists, all that and more. See you guys next time. Bye.